driver, driver. There you go. Now passenger, hard passenger all the way. Okay, keep it hard passenger all the way. And driver all the way. Now go straight like that a little bit. There you go. Good, just keep that straight line. And driver. Just a hair, now straight. Straighten her up. Straighten her up. Squeeze by your rear. So as you squeeze your rear, take it all the way driver. There you go. All the way driver.
Oh, watch out for that rock.